If you've stumbled upon knoxandriver.com and found yourself drawn in by their huge 80% off sales, stylish clothing options, and slick website design, you're not alone on the surface. It looks like the perfect online destination for fashion lovers hunting for a bargain. But before you start adding items to your cart, let's take a closer look beneath the surface. The website claims to be an established brand dating back to 2009, but a quick domain lookup shows the site was actually registered in 2025, a huge inconsistency that immediately raises suspicions. The so-called founder images appear to be pulled from stock photography or stolen from unrelated sources, and nearly all of the product images also show up on other shady-looking sites when you run a reverse image search. This kind of image recycling is a classic sign of a drop-shipping scam or a site that's just trying to look legit without investing in actual inventory or branding. What's more, Knox and River constantly flashes closing sale banners, which is a psychological trick to create urgency, a tactic commonly used by fraudulent or low-quality sites to rush you into buying without thinking things through. Despite the store's professional-looking layout, there's something off for a fashion brand in 2025. The complete absence of social media presence is unusual, if not suspicious. No Instagram, no Facebook, no TikTok, nothing. That's a huge red flag in a world where even the smallest indie brands thrive on social platforms to build trust and community. I also checked Trustpilot and several other customer review websites, and there are no real reviews anywhere, no positive or negative feedback, which is odd for a store that claims to have been around for over a decade. And to top it off, knoxandriver.com holds a very low safety score on eveninsights.com, a site that evaluates trustworthiness and consumer safety. Now, I'm not saying this website is definitely a scam. Maybe they're a new store just trying to get started. Or maybe they're hiding something, but the overwhelming number of red flags makes it extremely difficult to recommend. If you're thinking of shopping here, be cautious. The deals may be tempting, but when it comes to your money and personal info, it's always better to be safe than sorry.